All rise.
Good day, everybody.
Good evening, Your Honor.
Please be seated.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the case before this court is a computer and cybercrime case in the matter of the state against Brian and Lexi. The state sues Brian and Lexi for intentionally publishing false and misleading information with the intent that the data shall be considered or acted upon as authentic under Clause 12 of the Computer and Cybercrime, Your Honor.
So is the state against them?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
who presenting the state?
It is me, Your Honor.
Interesting. So it's your case?
Yes, it's my case, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. These two kids, lied to citizens, the patriotic people of this country of Kenya, that they are married and they are twins. This is misleading information. And, Your Honor, it is incest. And I'm wondering, what kind of information are we passing to other children, Your Honor? So it is my case against them.
You two young, very young people, what got into you to be accused of such a thing? What happened that you had to commit such a crime?
Your Honor.
Kindly introduce yourselves.
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is Brian. I'm 20 years old. And
Well, Brian, 20 years old.
yes, and this is my girlfriend, Lexi.
Okay, so what's going on with you two kids? Talk to me.
Your Honor, I guess we were just acting. We had an idea to do a very good show. But now, before we even started, it backfired. But it's because people are too judgmental, Your Honor.
It was a mere video. People misinterpreted it differently.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, it is a lie. That's just a cover-up story when everything went south. What were you thinking, kids?
We were just acting, Your Honor. I don't know what's wrong with this person.
No, excuse me, it's not this person. This person here is the prosecutor of the government and he's presenting the
Okay,
state.
but it's too judgmental.
Yes, out of this world. Apart from being bailiff, I'm also investigative officer of this country.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Get that. And whatever you did is wrong.
Tell me, accuse them and let me hear what you've got to say about them.
Yes, Your Honor. These kids acted that they were in relationship and they are boyfriend and girlfriend and they are married and they are from the same blood. They are twins. They
And I'm
like
sure
that.
you've done your due diligence of research.
Yes, I
You've
did.
done enough research?
Oh, yes, I did, Your Honor.
Yeah.
And I came to find out that they were just playing with us as citizens of this
How would
country.
they play with such a sensitive matter? I can't just take it. There's nothing to play there. Instance is nothing to play with. And you going publicly, internationally, I don't think that was good at all. Kindly, can you narrate to me or to this honorable court what was going on and what you wish us to believe that led you to doing this or leading to...
Okay, Your Honor. What he has said is correct, it's true. But the thing is, we were just acting. We had an idea to do a very good show to entertain our fans in a unique way, and I'm sure, as he has said, it was a very unique idea, very original. But now, before we even started, I mean, everyone is accusing us.
Your
I don't
Honor.
know what we went.
Your Honor, these two kids here, they acted a video and put it in Instagram. And Your Honor, if you log into Instagram, utaona vituko vingi sana hawa watoto wanafanya. I don't demonize Instagram because I know Instagram is a source of employment to many. But whenever these kids are doing something there, it depends on what they want to do. But these kids, they did something bad. And to me, I think it is very bad to have such kids doing such things.
Your Honor, it's not like that. We were just acting, but now it backfired, manzi. Sijui sasa huyu anasema nini. Ilikuwa tuna entertain wase wetu bana. Si ni content creators. Lazima
And you think the
tu.
content you are trying to create by influencing or misleading others?
We were not misleading anyone, Your Honor.
Do you know how many young people be watching you? And if you rise to fame, they'll think that's a way out. Do you know how many young kids will think it would be okay to marry or to relate, to have a sexual, intimate relation with relatives?
But it was a show. Walikuwa nafaa kuelewa.
Wengi wetu hatukuelewa ilikuwa show. Sisi tunaamini kwa kweli mko mwaona.
There are so many people don't understand that is a show. There are so many people are thinking whatever you are doing is real. So young man,
I guess you're the only one who doesn't understand ilikuwa show. Si wengine tunajua ilikuwa show, and I'm sure maybe wengine ni wewe tu. Sijui ni private investigator lakini I don't know, sijui nini wewe una investigate. I don't know.
Your Honor.
And where do you put your blame? Do you think they are to blame?
Yes, they have to be blamed. Not only them, Your Honor, even the parents, Your Honor.
You blame the parents? Why would you blame the parents?
Not really, Your Honor. I wonder what kind of kids are we raising, Your Honor? I think parents are careless. They don't even know what their kids are doing. And that's why I miss them all days.
You can't just blame the whole. You can't put the blame on the parents. We are all responsible as a community.
Yes.
From the teachers, from you as a statesman, to them as kids, and even as a parent. Do you think?
Yes, Your Honor, but I believe parents are to be blamed because they are part of it. They don't look what their kids are doing, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Brian, it says here that the two of you did a video and posted it on Instagram and claimed to be twins.
Yes, Your Honor. And we apologize for that. Ilikuwa tu kipindi acting.
Explain to me this whole kipindi concept, because I'm not getting it with the kind of immorality
Yes, Your Honor.
promoting in the community.
Your Honor.
Speak.
These two kids here got curiosity. Wakatengeneza video, wakaiweka kwenye Instagram. They came up with the idea that they are brothers and sisters. To be sincere, they said they are twins and they got married and they have a kid, and even their parent has disowned them.
Is that all true, Mr. Brian?
Yes, Your Honor. What happened is we were just doing a show that we thought will be unique. The idea was two identical people are in love and people cannot differentiate them. So we decided to do a TikTok video and give a snippet of how.
So it was a TikTok video and not an Instagram?
Exactly. Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes.
And how did the snippet like?
It was nice.
Well, tuliweka pale TikTok and then people took it seriously than we thought.
Your Honor, I have a video and I can play it, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Prosecutor, go ahead, play us the video, and then maybe I'll do the judging.
Hi people, this is my guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are twins. Yes,
Yeah.
and we got a child. Yeah, jina yake anaitwa?
Simajua.
Stand up.
Brian, this is unbelievable.
Yes, I know.
Are you kids serious? What kind of morality are you people promoting?
As we said, Your Honor, this was highly misinterpreted, Your Honor. Yes, it was highly misinterpreted.
I really hope it was misinterpreted because
Yes.
it's quite... Anyway, okay, Mr. Bailiff, kindly,
Yes.
can you explain to me or interpret it to me in a way I would understand better?
I will do it perfectly, Your Honor. These kids made video and put it on Instagram or that TikTok wanasema. Na si hawa peke yake, kuna watoto wengi wanafanya hivyo, Your Honor. Whenever you go to that Instagram or TikTok, if you log in, utashindwa kama tuko Sodoma ama Gomora. I'm not demonizing the Instagram because it is way of a living. But vile vitu inafanyika pale, Your Honor, I really miss those days.
Mr. Bailiff,
Yes.
can prosecutor kindly keep to the case and come off the Instagram story? Tell me more about them and not the Instagram.
Yes,
so they posted on Instagram.
Yes, the way I've said, Your Honor.
Yes.
The way I was saying, if you log into that Instagram thing, I'm not demonizing it at all. But if you log in, hao watoto na sio peke yake, kuna wengi wanafanya tabia kama hayo. Even I really wonder what kind of kids are we raising nowadays. That's why I'm telling you, Your Honor, I miss the damn old days when we were there, Your Honor.
We are the parents. We should be asking ourselves.
Yes.
Not the kids to blame. But for now, Mr. Brian and your lady here, kindly, can you explain to me, where did you get the idea in the first place? Where did the idea come from? You got it from a movie? Is it something foreign that maybe you ever saw before?
No, Your Honor.
Friends?
No.
Where did the influence and the idea come from?
The idea, we got the idea because we wanted to do a unique show, our show. We thought it will be big and unique, but now before even started, it backfired.
So how did it turn out?
Obviously, in fact, it backfired before even started. So after the snippet, we did nothing else.
Yes, Your Honor, it backfired because of one thing, Your Honor. These kids claimed that they are married and they have a kid. They have been blessed with a kid, and that is incest, Your Honor. And incest is misleading the community, Your Honor. And that's why I'm saying we are not too judgmental the way they have said, Your Honor. We are not too judgmental. But incest is very, very bad in our society, Your Honor.
Talking of judgmental, it's a communal thing. Everybody now is judging everybody. The community, the whole thing is so wrong.
Yeah, just like they are judging us for being
But I can't be ignorant, and I don't want to use the word foolish, but whatever you guys did falls under the category of foolishness, doesn't it?
No, Your Honor.
So are you related in any way?
No, You're not.
You're not related whatsoever?
Yes.
Can I kindly see your national identity cards, if you got them on you,
Yes.
as part of evidence in this court? Please. Whoa, Brian Onyango and Lexi Wairimo.
Yes.
You don't even come from the same community.
Imagine.
You're not even related whatsoever.
Imagine,
Your
Your Honor.
Woof. Okay. And you went on the online interview and told the world you gave the world false information that you are twins.
Not false information. Acting, Your Honor.
You were acting.
Yes.
You still insist you are acting?
Yes, we were acting.
How long have you two known each other?
Yeah, 7 months. Yes.
Whoa.
Even I wonder if their parents know each other.
They
Do
do.
they?
They do.
Yes.
They are friends.
Yeah. Very
Mr.
good
Bailey,
friends.
please be slow on that because I'm here. I'm the one here to ask questions. If you would let me. So what's wrong with you kids? You go online and make a video claiming that you're acting. Where did you even think the concept will sell?
Originality, Your Honor. Usanii. Tulitumia tu akili manze.
You really put me on the spot. I'm ashamed as a father, as an elder in the society, and even as a judge of this court, that I have to face kids like you really want to be the limelight of the society in the social media, and what you're trying to portray and promote is quite wrong. It's total immorality.
We agree and we are so.
There are many people who are confused and don't know the truth, that if they hear that two of the same blood ever dated, they will do the same, which is...
We are sorry, Your Honor. Tunaomba msamaha.
So, and what was supposed to be the name of the show?
We had not yet found a name for it.
Oh, please bring me to speed. How do you do? Was it not a pilot that you did?
It was a pilot.
Without a script
Yes.
to follow up, that this is what we are trying to do, but we're giving you a taste of this and this is the name of the show. It didn't have a name.
No, now we were about to do that. But now, before even, hata tu sijui tulienda siku ngapi, the public.
Si siku ngapi? Kwani ulianza katika kazi yako katikati?
Ilikuwa pilot, ilikuwa snippet, unaona ile introduction, tunataka kufanya show.
And it didn't have a name. It didn't
No,
have a
no, no,
script?
hatukuwa tumetafuta hiyo jina, ilikuwa ndio sasa tuna in the process ya kutafuta jina juu tulikuwa tunataka ikuwe jina kali, kitu itakuwa kali bana. Kitu manze itatuweka pale.
But do you kids know the weight that incense carries in this country? Do you know the weight that the law holds so dearly to incense to keep away from people of the same blood having anything to do together? I'll read it out for you.
Yes, you are.
Right? This is what it said. Okay? According to the law of Kenya, the Sexual Act Offense Act of the year 2006, a person who has sexual intercourse with someone who she knows is his or her daughter or son, granddaughter or grandson, sister or brother, mother or father, niece or nephew, auntie or uncle, grandmother, grandfather, half brother. Are we together?
Yes.
Half sister, and even adopted brothers or sisters is guilty of incest and shall be jailed for a period of up to 10 years or more. However, the victim of the incest, if he is below the age of 18, that means a minor, is involved, the one who is not minor will be accused of the same and is to face up to lifetime jail term. Do you realize what you got yourself into?
Yes.
Miss Lexi?
Yes.
And what do you say to that?
We didn't know, but
How do you justify to what you did?
we didn't know, but now we know, and we are really, really sorry for that.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
And do your parents know where you are now?
No, Your
No.
Honor.
Have you spoken to them?
Yes, I
Yes.
did, Your Honor. I did speak to them, Your Honor. And they were very ashamed of their kids, and they are blaming themselves right now. But
No,
they
I
were
can
very
just
shocked.
imagine the frustration.
Yes.
I can
They
just
are very
imagine. It's
frustrated.
impossible. The frustration and the shame on these parents is just impossible.
Yes.
You kids, do you see the damage you've caused? Do you see the blame you've brought to yourself and to your people?
Yes, but we are sorry, we are sorry, Honor.
You're sorry for now doesn't hold any water. It is already done and the damage is real.
Hatukuwa
Don't you
tunajua.
think?
Hatukuwa tunajua. But now
Well,
we know at least.
as I said, the mistake is done.
Yes.
You apologize, but still, the mistake is done. And we're not out here to condemn you, neither, polish and underline your mistakes. It's done. And you are young,
Yes.
but we should not only judge you. This is a court of law. We judge people accordingly to the book.
Yes, Your Honor.
But at the moment now, I wish to understand more what was going on in your mind, in our community, that these kind of things are rising, because you're not the only ones. Many more have not been brought forward, and they're doing things that are just despicable.
Oh, yes, Your Honor. These kids are lost, Your Honor, and they need guidance and counseling, Your Honor. And as a society, we should not support or condone this one. Your Honor, I have a witness.
You have a witness? You
Yes, a long-time friend to Brian.
do? Can you please bring
Yes, Your Honor.
forward?
Yes, Your Honor. Please. Your name, please.
Cindy, aka Fantamagoja Cindy.
Your name as per your identification.
Cinderella Nyamboke.
Which religion are you?
Christian, of course.
Okay, put your hand here. Repeat after me. I, Cinderella
I, Cinderella
Nyaboke,
Nyamboke.
that whatever I'll say to this honorable court
That whatever I'll say to this honorable court
will be the truth.
will be the truth,
Nothing
nothing
but the truth.
but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Ms. Nyamboke, kindly tell us more of what you know about this case or the couple standing here before.
Judge, please na siko bad, but na prefer ukiniita Cindy.
Order.
Oh gosh, okay.
Kindly tell this court what you know of the two standing here, Miss
Judge.
Nyamboke.
Okay, nilikuwa pale online checking out on my friends. So, okay, but hiyo siku I was bored, so nikamua ebu let me check out ni nini na trend pale IG. So, okay, vile nilikuwa naendelea kuscroll, nikaona Lexi alikuwa amepost story fulani hapo iti amolewa na tini brother yake and pia wako na mtoi. Imagine judge, alafu pia walikuwa wamepost hiyo mtoi and mimi vile najua Brayo yezi kuwa ni yezi juu nimejuana na Brayo.
So did you know the two about dating?
Okay, judge, you cannot say that it is dating. No. Huwezi sema hiyo ni dating.
Why did
Juu
you
wamejuana for several months, if I'd say.
And you claim you've known Brian way back?
Yeah, since Raymond tumejuana na yeye. So hakuna kitu sijui kutoka kwake. Yeah.
And what was your take about on the video?
As for me, nilichukulia tu kama jokes.
Kama what?
Nilichukulia tu kama jokes. Mzaha. Yeah. So, yeah.
So you really thought this matter is a joke and not a serious one?
Yeah, because nawajua hawa wawili. Okay, ni hao ni attention seekers. Ni attention tu walikuwa nataka. Yeah.
Okay. So you don't consider the relation as a dating?
No, judge. I cannot consider that.
Tell me more about it.
Okay, judge. Kwa hizo video zao, Brayo alikuwanga amesema ati he proposed to Lexi wakafanyadi wedo and kwa ni only mtu mmoja tu ndo aliattend kwa hiyo wedo. Judge, imagine hata hakuna wedo ilifanyika, hata ukiangalia kwa hizo video zao hakuna hata rings wamevaa.
So in directly or indirectly, you knew what was going on and you did nothing, you didn't talk to them?
No, because nilijua tu itabako. Nilikuwa nataka kuambia but
Yo bako ni nini?
Kubackfire.
Please continue.
So mimi sikuwa nataka waone ati like mimi hapa I'm against their celebrity moment. Sitaki waonekane na watu. So nikamwacha tu niachane nao. I mean, sikuwa nataka hata stories zao. Nikasema
Na sasa kwa vile wasema wamjua Brian, wajua nini, ulijua kuwa ni mzaha. Kwa hivyo hata wamjua mali Brian aishi, wajua kazi anafanya, shughuli yake.
Yeah, najua Brayo mali anaishi cause hadi unaona hiyo how Brayo anaishi is not si yake, like si yake, aliachiwa na relative wake mwenye ako majuu amchungie for the time being. Yeah.
And what else would you like to tell us about them or about this case that you know?
Okay. No matter what they do, hawezi reverse ile damage washafanya. Ishafanyika. Na mwezi reverse by the way.
So you say this is God or as a devil?
I mean, this is devil's work.
This is the devil's work.
Yeah.
I agree with you on that, Cindy.
Yeah.
Anything else you wish to tell us?
Of course, Judge. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Order, Cindy. I will subscribe you to my prison cell and you will have some time
Please,
to serve.
Judge. Okay.
So please, if you have nothing else to say, step down.
Bow, then take a seat.
Okay.
Your Honor, as their friend has said, these people are liars. So their conversation, otherwise I can judge it.
We just created a content. Hatukuwa to hurt or harm anyone.
Yes.
One more, just to prove that you're a liar. Cindy mentioned of you never getting married, and you had said you got married. You are married. Can I see your left hands and just to see if you've got any wedding rings? Brian, you don't even know your left hand.
Yes.
No rings. Mr. Bailiff, prosecutor, I don't know which part of these people, these kids to agree with. Too much lies in your life.
Yes, they are
young
liars,
people.
but they need help.
They do need help, I agree to that.
We're not liars.
Brian, Lexi, does it come to your mind or to your realization how many people you've hurt? How many people you put at risk, misled? Did you never even try to look for guidance from other content makers, advice from seniors? Did you do any of that?
We didn't.
You just came up with an idea, which didn't even have a name.
We didn't think of that.
We didn't think of that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Neither have you thought of the name of the content. And by the way, whose baby was it that you appear in the video with?
A friend.
A friend?
Yes.
Did the friend have an idea of what you are doing? Did he authorize to that, or was it to?
Your Honor, as we have just said, it was not such a big deal. We were just doing a small video
Brian,
to entertain
please
our
get
fans.
warned from the court. Don't say it wasn't a big deal. I've read
It
you the
wasn't.
charges. Order.
Yeah, it
I've
wasn't.
read you the charges that you are facing. Realize your mistake and show remorse. Don't try to say it wasn't a big deal. It is a big deal.
Indeed.
I say that.
Indeed it is.
Maybe. Okay.
You young people. So my question still stands. Did the friend that gave you the baby or the whoever baby you used, had they approved it? Did they know you're using their baby for that?
No, Your Honor. But we're just doing a small video to entertain our fans in a unique way.
Even with the entertainment of your fans, it went so far. Using a minor is a crime by itself, and the parents had not consented to this. It's a serious offense, and you don't seem to realize it. You still say it was a video, just a video.
We are sorry.
No, that is the language I want to hear. I want to see. I want to hear apologies and remorse.
Yes, we are sorry.
No, not was a small deal.
Okay, we are sorry times 10, times 15 times. We are sorry.
Brian,
What's your language? I mean no harm to you, but I just want to guide you to a better understanding and a better citizen. So I know that, and the law says different. You are not only doing a video, as your prosecutor here says, you haven't talked to your parents.
Yes, Your Honor. We wanted things to cool down first so that we can talk to them openly and without fear.
But did they know that the two of you were dating?
No.
What generation are we raising?
I'm wondering
Mr.
myself
Prosecutor,
here. I'm wondering myself here.
how long were you planning to keep this as a secret, or were they to learn from the social media?
We were working on that, Your Honor.
And your parents are following you on your social media?
I doubt.
No. Yes.
Just to know, what kind of a relationship do you have with your parents? Lexi?
Okay, we are with our parents, as in we don't.
Your parents. What relation do you have with your parents? Do you have a bond with your parents? Do you have a relation? Do you trust each other? Do you talk to them? Please tell me.
Personally, my parents and I went close. They are very strict.
You see, Your Honor?
Your parents are strict,
Yes.
so they would not approve of what you've done.
Yeah.
What about you, Brian?
The same, Your Honor. They are very strict parents. And we knew from the word go, they wouldn't support our relationship. And that's why we kept it a secret. But In either way, we were to tell them.
Your
because,
parents, Brian, and let's see.
Yeah, but we were to tell them because
Your parents are strict because they wish the best of you.
Yeah.
We know
They
that.
care for you. They wish the best of you. It's not that they're trying to be strict just to sabotage your happiness or relation. It's to guide you, and it's because they care.
Yes, Your Honor. And even I doubt if their parents are in good terms with their children. They're like strangers to them nowadays.
no, we do talk to them once in a while.
This is the reason why your video are said to be that your parents disowned you, because you don't have that relation. Otherwise, which is yet another offense when you go behind your parents doing things.
All in all, these kids need help, Your Honor, and guidance and
I
counseling.
can imagine. So with all your video spent,
Yes.
wish to understand, what were you to gain? A TV show? What were you trying to work on?
Yes, a TV show, Your Honor.
Is there, do
Okay.
you think there's any TV would be interested in such?
Yes, it was such a unique idea, a very original idea. Sasa tungekuwa maseleb bana, isipokuwa ni watu kama hawa kutukatia manzi. Tungekuwa mbali by the way.
Brian, you
Yes.
look to be such a talented child. You're a kid, I can see a lot of potential in you. You said you're already in the university, or you've done one semester,
Yes.
and for you just cleared high school. I see a lot of potential in you. And what else do you do apart from when you're not doing silly videos?
I'm a dancer by the way, a very good one.
What about you, Cindy? What else do you do?
I am a makeup artist.
Wow. And you would not have been patient enough to build in your said chance of talent?
I bet even their parents, if know their kids anymore.
I can imagine. So with all these confusion, what did you expect? A TV show? Or what were your brilliant ideas up to?
Yes, we were expecting something like a TV show because of course our idea was unique. So we thought it would sell.
Shut up. I know you're a young, talented person, people, and you have a lot of potential going, but what you did is not to be condoned. Such an excellent creativity, come up with some moral dignity, you know?
Yes.
It might have been creative, but put some moral. Don't misguide people into doing the wrong things, because many people are watching these YouTube things and TikTok
Yes, Your Honor.
and Instagram. You have the potential of going up to international. It depends how you portray yourself and table your talents,
Yes.
of which it might just be too late now to reverse everything. But all that said and done, your publicity was negative. The viewing, I don't think you have as many likes as you think. And now you bring it to court and you want to make it a show, telling me that it was just a show.
But we are sorry. We are sorry, Your Honor. We apologize.
You better be.
Yes.
Okay, of which it might be too late to reverse all these.
Yeah.
But but that is a bad way to look for publicity and for the views. Now you have this code, people thinking it's part of the show.
Yes, even people are thinking we are acting, Your Honor. And it's a very serious
I
matter
know,
here.
but we will make sure it's not.
Your Honor, please forgive us. We have accepted, yes, we were wrong. In fact, we are going public to say, yes, we lied, and we'll be more alert next time.
And
I hope there will be no next time.
and what was that new word you refer yourself to?
Doppelgangers, Your Honor. doppelgangers.
Thank you for teaching Kenyans a new word. At
Thank
least
you.
now we've come off the so-used entanglement. So what does it exactly mean if you were to explain to a layman?
It means biologically unrelated, look-alike for a living person.
Exactly.
Which you wish to tell us you look alike?
Yes.
And you're
we
not,
do.
for
Yeah.
sure you're not biologically related. I've seen your IDs, but you believe you look alike?
Yes, we do. Just look at us, Your Honor. Baby, smile. Yes.
Order.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, what are you kids taking? Are you abusing any drug? Are you on, high on any kind of drug?
No,
But we have
haven't.
abused the law. I'm telling you for a fact.
I don't really think they are sober. I think we need to do a medical test on you people before we decide what to do with you. I need a medical report on the two of them. I want you screened for drug use and mental state, because whatever you did, you are looking for fame the wrong way.
Very true.
You are more lost, and living what you did is not normal. It's not everyday life, and you don't look any sorry.
We are sorry, Your Honor.
We are.
We did not intend at all to do all this.
I wonder, you people, you live a lie. You live a lie.
No.
I wonder whether your relationship is genuine.
It's, of course, it's genuine, Your Honor. Of
You
all-
love each other for real.
Yes. I know of all the mistakes Your Honor have done, I can swear that I did not do a mistake in choosing this girl. In fact, I'm very happy I have her. She has stood by me through thick and thin. She's my ride or die, my cheerleader,
okay,
my
enough,
everything, Your
Brian,
Honor.
enough, Brian. The rest you can write her in a letter. I will call that stupidity of the highest level. And I hope she doesn't agree to all that love poem you're trying to pour in this court. Lexi, do you feel the same?
I feel the same as you or as him.
Your call. Which one do you want?
Absolutely. Stand by him. Is the bravest man I've ever seen.
Yes.
So romantic and courageous.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
you even touching in court.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you kids?
We love each other, Your Honor.
Not in this court, not for now. I'm still wondering how genuine your relation is and whether it deserves to be. What else do you do apart from chasing that silly cloud of fame that you're chasing?
I'm a dancer, a very good one.
Cindy?
I'm a makeup artist.
Wow, clearly you are. I
And
can
TikTok,
see the
and
talent in
TikTok
you.
creators content, isn't it?
Yes.
Success doesn't come overnight. It takes time. It takes focus, brains, dedication, and patience. You don't just become a celebrity overnight. Instead, you will end up, if you chase it too hard, you will end up wasting your time and realize it was never there. Doesn't, whatever you do, the dancing and the makeup, doesn't keep you busy enough to
No.
keep the focus and do the right thing?
No, Your Honor, since COVID came, we
Oh.
haven't been doing much.
Excuse me, please don't blame COVID.
But
It's your choice which side of the coin faces up. You can either use COVID as a challenge or as an opportunity, so don't try to use COVID narrative here.
True.
That is the narrative of the lazy, so I say.
yes,
Other people's lives have kept moving. Yes, COVID has been a challenge to everybody internationally, but it's your attitude towards it. So dancing was affected by COVID, but
Yes.
but TikTok content was not.
no, it was.
No, leave it at that. It wasn't, but yours was because it was the wrong content.
No, Your Honor.
What about school?
I finished my Form 4 last year.
Form 4 last year?
Yes.
Are you planning to join the university at any point?
Yes.
Yes. She will join me. I know that.
She'll join you in marriage or in
No,
university?
in university.
Oh, that's better.
Yes, yes.
What about you, Brian?
I'm a second year student, by the way.
Yes.
Second year student.
You're a second year student?
Yes.
You go to school?
Yes. Until COVID came and
COVID.
we had to go home.
Don't tell me that COVID thing again, please.
Your Honor,
Before were you attending classes before the COVID?
that's why I was saying, Your Honor, I have attendance list here from the school. He attended only first year, second semester. Hiyo siku zingine hajai kanyaga shule hiyo.
You're a
For
good
these 2 years.
statesman, Mr. Prosecutor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, please. Mamangu hajaona hizo vitu.
Wachana mamako, wasema ati COVID ilikuza mafuta
Tafadhali
mwezi huu.
usimwonyeshe tafadhali, hajaona hizo vitu.
Please.
Tafadhali.
I don't take instructions, I give instructions.
But naomba,
tafadhali.
nimenyenyekea mkubwa. Tafadhali.
Your Honor, I think these kids need help. As parents, we have to guide them.
You are saying you don't want your mother to know. Unfortunately,
Yes.
now she knows. I'm sure she'll have to see it at a point.
Yes.
So why didn't you tell your parents that you guys are no longer going to school?
Because
You're Brian.
yeah, I was supposed to resume school this semester.
And how could you have done that exactly?
Probably doing another video and saying he's back, the way he has done it again.
No, Your Honor.
Is it true, Brian? You'd have
No,
done that?
no, Your Honor. I'm a changed person.
Yeah?
I regret my mistakes and nataka kujikosoa and naomba msamaha. I want to live a right life, Your Honor.
I like when I see that.
Yes.
When I see that, I can see there's hope now.
Yes, I'm
Yes,
sorry.
when you were saying it's only a video, it got to my nerve because I could see you're not realizing your mistake.
No,
But
we
if
have
you're
realized.
sincere to your apology now,
Yes.
I think
Yes, Your Honor. Tumekubali
you're not as bad as
tulikosea.
I thought.
Yes.
But this cloud of fame that you're chasing, it needs brain, it needs guidance, and I think you need to look for somebody who understands the industry more than you do.
We'll do that.
Don't just rush in.
Yes.
And as they say, come easy.
Easy goes. And you know
True.
that.
So if you are expecting to just to rise to fame and celebrity status so easily, it would have really backfired on you, and I think it's already backfired on you. Don't you think?
Yeah, it has and
Your fame was based on lies,
but you have
and you
learned.
didn't work enough and research enough. So the easy it was to blow, it was a smoke. Within a minute it was to disappear. Yeah?
We have learned, Your Honor.
Maybe this was your moment to shine, but you chose the wrong content. You went for the wrong thing. Don't you think?
No.
If you look at celebrities like Aziad, they took all their time, and when the time was right, one TikTok, and poop, she was a celebrity at the top there. People like Elsa, Majimbo.
But that's what we were just trying to do. Tulikuwa
And now
tunajaribu.
they are enjoying the fruits of their work.
But they received negative comments and still
Yes.
backlash.
Yes.
Don't try to say that again, because I'll call for order in this court because you're not getting it. They got backlash by jealousy people. People who are not understanding. People who judge you. As you say, this is a very judgmental community. But yours is nothing even to be judged, it's nothing even to be watched, neither to be looked at.
But Your Honor, we were just doing something.
Are you back on it?
We were just doing.
Or are you back on it that you're just doing?
No. Let me finish, please.
Okay.
We were just doing something that we thought would work for us.
You thought?
Yes.
But since you realize that it's not working, why don't you just condemn it and get out of it? And feel sorry that you ever got even to do it.
Okay, we have
or even
learned.
to think about it.
No, we have learned the mistake we did.
Yes, and be sorry about it. Don't even
sorry.
think about it. Don't even show any pride of thinking about it.
But the same thing was said about Gengeton. But look at it now. It's the new wave, manze. Same in the international.
The case here we have in this court, my son, is not about Gengeton, it's about your doing, right?
And I'm just comparing the two.
Don't compare, it's all
I mean,
different.
I'm just showing you the fact.
I don't want
like,
to see it, don't show me.
Okay.
You kids have said you've been accused by the state for causing misleading, for putting up misleading content in the cyber, and it's a crime that what you've done, right? I found you guilty in accordance to Article 12 of the Computer and Cyber Cafe Act, but I will not punish you, neither will I push for any fine on you.
Thank you.
Okay. And as for you two kids, the state and the court is found you guilty. It is against the Kenyan law and the moral of this country and the community in as a whole. You are therefore found guilty according to the Article 12 of the Computer and Cyber Act of Kenyan law. But I'll not punish you, neither fine you.
Thank you, thank you.
Since you are first-time offenders, I'll subject you to 3 months of community work as you attend counseling. The counseling will be financed by the state. 3 months, you'll do community work. I will start following you on both your social platforms. That means TikTok and Instagram, and I want you to post things that will condemn what you've done and promote moral things in the society. I'll be following you. And after the 3 months, I want to see them back in court for further, as I get the results from the medical report on drug use. Away from that, I hold nothing against you, and I think I'll see you in 3 months from now. You've understood your judgment?
Yes.
You understood your judgment?
Yes, but
And I'm watching and following. This court is done.
All rise. You kids, next time, do something important, okay?
okay.
Okay?
Yes. Can we appeal?